Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel.
Watch every second of this video because you will learn how to make passive income on autopilot by the end of this video. The exact steps on how to earn between 100 to 300 a day working less than you would at a job, and how to create long-term wealth that is growing month after month. YouTube is the second largest website in the world, and the average viewer spends 40 minutes per day watching YouTube videos. So obviously, YouTube pays out millions of dollars to you as a content creator. In a few seconds, I'll show you how you can get YouTube to send you payments, just following what I show you in this video. And yes, this is 100% free and you can start today. Just imagine your new life as $300 comes into your bank account daily, which allows you to work from home, travel the world, and have ultimate freedom so you can do whatever you want, whenever you want. I'm gonna show you this right now. Right now, I'm on pexels.com, PEXELS.com, and you will find copyright-free videos right here that you can literally copy without any legal problems. You know, copyright strikes, you know that people can sue you if you use their copyrighted material. But here you don't have to worry about that because they're actually free to use and free to download. So this is really a great site because you can find hundreds of different ways or videos that you can literally have in your videos. Just copy and paste that I'm going to show you later, and you can have an amazing video going up. Now, what I'm going to show you in this video is motivational videos, okay? So I've gone here and searched motivational, and as you can see from a software I have, this is getting 94,000 searches per month. And if we just look at the videos right here, you can see absolute motivation, 2.6 thousand views in just 3 hours. But this absolute motivation has 1.1 million subscribers. We have this other guy, I won't give up, best motivational video, almost 100,000 views in 1 day. This other guy, 762,000 views 1 month ago, and 3 days ago. As you can see, these videos are getting crazy amount of views, but not only views, okay? They are also getting a lot of money, way more than $100, $300. These are probably making thousands of dollars every single day. I've searched this guy's video up on Social Blade, and it's a stats tool basically, and you can see that he's getting 300 or 200,000, 300,000 every single day. And this is the estimated income right here, up to $1,000. But I actually think his CPM is on the higher end because motivated people usually buy more, because motivation is like an emotional thing which makes people buy more. So advertisers in front of basically their videos make a lot more money, and you can actually make way more money from a strategy I'm going to show you later in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. This Pexels website, you can go here and let's imagine what's going to happen on the motivational video. It's probably going to be people standing like this, and people running, people jogging, people flying over a drone with nice landscape, and we can find all that right here. So drone footage we can search for, and we can find some free drone stock footage, maybe like this right here, maybe like this drone footage right here is very motivational, very inspirational footage right here. Here as well in the woods. Whoa, this one is really cool. Some FPV drone. And we can use all of these in our videos. On top of that, what do you think of when you think of inspirational video? You think of inspirational music, right? And what we're gonna use is YouTube's audio library. And on this library, you can find a lot of different songs that you can use 100% copyright free. And what we're gonna do here, we're gonna click on genre, and then we're gonna search off cinematic. And in just a second, we'll find inspirational Heir to the Throne. Let's listen to this one. Starts up very slow. Oh, here we go. Starting to get more motivational probably at the end. Yeah, this is a really motivational. Yeah, so just like that, we found a perfect song that we can use in the video. And all we have to do is click on download right here. And as I said, this is copyright free. Now we need to find some drone footage, so I'm actually gonna go here and then I'm gonna click on this video right here, and on the top you can see free download. Look how cool this is. So we're just gonna click here. You don't even need an account, and that's gonna start downloading right now. Now we got the videos, we got the audio, but we need someone in the back of our head to say some motivational stuff to inspire us. And one of those things are affirmations, you know, positive affirmations that lift you up, like I am able to do this, I attract wealth and happiness into my life, and stuff like that. And the website we're going to use for this is called Internet Archive, and it's called archive.org. And here you have many audios that you can download, and they're in the public domain. And what we're going to do here is we're going to do a little quick thing, and that is subject affirmations, because the subject of this audio will be just about affirmations, and the affirmation will be in the tab, and this is kind of how you need to search on Internet Archive. And as you can see, we get audio and then we get text right here, but we're going to actually click on just audio, and then we'll find just audio or affirmations that we can download and put in the background of our video. Here we have many different audios that you can use of positive affirmations, stuff like that. But I already found this positive affirmation compilation number 1. And here you can already see that it's 21 minutes long. And the videos we were watching earlier weren't really more than 5 minutes long. And you can use this over and over again. All you need to do is VBR MP3 download.
You are old.
And right here you can click on download. Now the software I use is called Premiere Pro. And this is for you if you want to take it a step further and get an actual paid software. If you're using Mac, you can use Final Cut or you can use iMovie. But if you're not wanting to spend any money on softwares like this, that I highly recommend you do, you can actually go to a website called openshot.org. And this is an open source video editor. And if you just see right here is for Mac, Linux, and Windows. And this software is very easy to use if you're a beginner, and it has all of these cross-platform slow motion video effects and all that. But it's so similar to Premiere Pro. I'm gonna show you how to do it in Premiere Pro, and it will pretty much be the exact same on any other editing platforms. None of them are really that different. So all you need to do right now is click on new project, call it motivation, click on OK. Now we're gonna start by putting all these into the editing platform. Now that we're here, we can just drag all of these video clips directly onto the timeline. And here you can see we have all the different clips right here next to each other. And some of them are a little lower quality, and then we're gonna just bump those up. And then we'll put the music underneath. So let's listen to how this sounds. Okay, you know, it's pretty okay, but I would rather have it maybe be a little bit shorter so it cuts a little bit quicker. You know, the attention span of people aren't really that long anymore. But this one would probably be a cool opener. So, and also I think it's cooler to go up than it is to go down. So we're actually gonna click right here, and we're gonna go on speed duration, and then we're gonna reverse speed. So now it goes front to back basically, and it rises instead of falling. And I don't really like that there's nothing going on right here, so we're gonna change basically spaces for these ones. And we're gonna have the rising up in the morning, and then we start running, you know, and then we have the other shots as well. But I kind of want to have that really fast drone flying through to kind of set the tone for the video. But it is pretty long, so maybe we're gonna have it after again. So now we have all of those chopped together, and then all we need is some motivational voice. So we're gonna add the positive confirmation or affirmation tracks, and we're gonna listen once more. All right,
you are always in the right place at the right time. The best and the highest comes to you at every moment. You receive everything wonderful that you desire. You are a wonderful person. You grow younger and more beautiful every day.
that's a lot better if you ask me. Hey, I disappeared for a second, but now you can see that we almost have about 43 seconds worth of video right here. And these 43 seconds, the way you can go about it is to have it at the end of the royalty-free music track we have, or you can even add another cinematic track on top of that as well. Find more footage and do it like that. Now, I want to talk to you about how you can actually make a lot more money with this YouTube channel. So the first thing that you need to know, that when you start a YouTube channel like this, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours. And you're gonna easily get that because these motivational videos like take off and get a lot of views. And what you can use is this website, clickbank.com. So on ClickBank, you have a ton of different affiliate products that you can actually sell. And you can just easily put these in the description down below of your videos. And let's say, for example, say we have motivational videos, and a strength training or weight loss program is probably something they would be pretty interested in. Also on ClickBank, you have different money methods that you can start to do, and you can find legit programs on here to teach people how to make money online.